Hi everyone, this is Mai. Welcome back to my channel. That's my life. A few people left a question on my aloe vera gel video, asking how to preserve it. Once you extract the gel from the leaf, it can only last about 7 days. So today I'm going to show you how I preserve my aloe vera gel. Let's get started. When processing aloe vera, I find it easier to let it sit upright overnight and then work with it the next day. After washing and cutting off the edge, I leave it in water for about 15 minutes. Wash off and then soak it in new water for about another 10 to 15 minutes. The first method to preserve it is to freeze it. This will keep it good for about 8 months. I'm using silicone tray to freeze it because it's easy to pop out. After 24 hours of freezing it, take it out and put it in a Ziploc bag. Make sure to date it. After a day fishing at the lake, I got sunburned and my hair is dry. So I like to use aloe cube for my sunburned skin and let some thaw out to use it for moisturizer on my hair. It feels really cool. The second method used is honey. Honey is a natural preservative, so I use 1:1 ratio. This will last about 6 months. You can use it in your tea or smoothie, make a face mask, or add some sugar or coffee grind to make a body scrub. The third method is to add vitamin C. I use 1 gram or 1/4 of teaspoonful of vitamin C to a half cup of aloe vera. Make sure to blend it well. It will become foamy, but it will go away in the next day. This is good for about 2 months in airtight container in refrigerator. You can put it in your tea, juice, or smoothie. The vitamin C helps keep the skin glow and prevent free radical. I really love this third method because I use it a lot on my face and skin as a moisturizer. It is cool and soft on your skin. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you find this video informative. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.